India da National Sample Survey lakpadagi lamdamasigi policy semba samilo namadi thabak phanggi chang wangkhalaki bane haina Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra na phangdokrai Manipur University gi Department of Statistics na senduna ngasi Manipur University Department of Statistics ki conference hall da umudra mangarak suba National Statistics Day lisingani kunmanga ge thoramga mari lenana Harnessing Statistics for Inclusive and Sustainable Development, a multidisciplinary haiba wakalunda pangtokiba, nomogiva National Conference ka mali lainana wafamasi, VC Professor N Lokendra na phongdokibane, Thoromaduda, Manipur University ge, Department of Statistics ke Head of Department, Professor Salam Opendra Amadi, Hanagi Head of Department, Professor Keds Kumar Sana Sarugyaki, Nasigi Thoromaduda, Father of Statistics Haina Malim gi miyamna khangnariba Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalonoviski photoda laikatuni kai khumnabudki National Conference aduda toanba institution sing Agricultural College amade University gi Maheri Kuntra romna sarugyaki VC Professor N Lokendra namakata na phongdokibada Professor Prasanta Chandra Mahalonovisna Statistics ki lamda mangjil thaduna thamlamni ba wakalon singasi aikoina khunai si sakhona bagi lamda Sijinaduna Institution Mai Sing Mausagi Khal Hakshalamadi Lamda Mashida Lengan Mapham Chana Sijinaduna Khudongchaba Lousi Haiki.
I encourage each of you to engage actively, share your insights, and explore new ideas. Let us harness this platform for dialogue and innovation to inspire action in our respective fields. I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our participants, to the speakers and delegates. Your dedication and efforts are what will make this conference a success. Let us continue to uphold the values of scientific inquiry, integrity, and inclusiveness in all our statistical endeavor. Finally, I would like to thank all of you and wish you a very fruitful conference, and hope that the proceedings of the conference is published in time in the larger interest of the policymakers, academics, and researchers.